was on fleek. This chain talking about heat. Put it on screw. Spread out screw. Spread out screws.
Oh, okay, sir.
Spread out street to a penthouse. Spread out street to a penthouse. Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. I beat. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the cheek. It's a new weirdo every week. Weirdo. Hit the whip, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to start like a little vlog because y'all, we supposed to get snowed in. So I'm like, I feel like this is a perfect opportunity for me to vlog a little something. And I'm also gonna upload a video that I actually filmed like a week ago, just about. Pretty much it's like a little haul. Y'all know we like hauls. So I'm gonna upload that while I'm snowed in. But anyways, y'all, they talking about we're gonna get 12 inches, then I heard 20 inches, then I heard ice. So I don't know, like, I really don't know what's gonna happen like at this point, but it's okay because I'm prepared. For whatever happens, I'm prepared. So I actually got a few things for me to do while I'm snowed in, okay? I'm gonna just share that with y'all real quick. This is what we're gonna be doing this weekend. So I actually had ordered a little something from Amazon. So my goal this year is to kind of like definitely save money, but also like kind of start doing things that I can do on my own that will also take time away from my phone. Okay, I'm trying to stay out that phone because really that phone got us all in trouble. Okay, so I'm really trying to like get away from that phone all the time. Now I love a good nail. I got my nails done. I got like this, I think it's called the cat eye. It's cute, like it's cute or whatever. But I got like the cat eye or whatever. But y'all know these cat eye nails was $80, and this is just dip. This ain't even no acrylics. This is just dip nails. So I'm like, I'm not gonna get my toes done because what? Y'all gonna try to charge me another $80 because you know now y'all they charge $20 for gel on your toes, knowing good and well you gonna get gel on your toes. I actually got a nail kit, y'all. So I got like the lamp light. I got the little drill, the nail drill. I got it came with like a wall adapter and then a USB adapter. Y'all, we got this is like the little nail drill thingies. Then it came with like all these like little files and stuff. Like what? It came with like files and like stuff you can do your nails with. Just all the things, like all the tools that you would ever need, it came with it. And cuticle oil, this little buffer pad, and some little nail somethings. I don't know what this is. And then it also came with like 30 nail polishes in here of like all colors. Like they are kind of like small, but you know, this is just like our little starter kit. So, but they give you 30 colors to choose from, and I think you can get a good like maybe like 3-4 times with this. But anyways, y'all, we gonna be doing our toes from now on. I'm gonna learn how to do my toes because I really feel as though that's a very easy thing I can do. Like instead of spending money to do my toes, I feel like I can just do my toes. Like but yeah, y'all, like all of this was like what, $23. Like it wasn't much at all. I can link it down below in my Amazon storefront for y'all, but it was only like $20-some. Like come on now, like I would much rather spend $20-some one time to do my nails endlessly, okay, than sit here and get my toes done every 2 weeks for $80. You know how much money we gonna be saving, y'all? This year let's do some things that we can do ourselves, okay? Let's save a little money, let's save a little coin, and let's, you know what I'm saying? But I think one thing about it though, it's not even the fact of like the money part. It's more so for me the fact that I'm sitting here paying y'all this money, because okay, it is nice to have somebody else rub your feet. Okay, it's not real. The main issue for me is that I sit here and pay $80 for y'all to do my feet, and the feet don't look like nothing though. Like at the end, you ain't get all the crust off. You ain't really massage. You halfway massage my feet. You know, threw the polish on there. I mean, it's just not like, I don't know. Like, I just think it's just, it's too much now. I remember back in the day, y'all, it used to be $25 to get your toes done. And I'm talking about they would massage the heck out your feet. And they did all of that. And they will polish your feet all for $25. Like, are you kidding me? And now we sitting here paying $80. I just think that's crazy. But that's pretty much, I think, all the things. I also do need to clean out my closet, since I do have the time, since we gonna be snowed in. I do have the time to do my closet, but I ain't gonna lie, that closet may not get touched, but I do know I need to do it. I may go ahead and just do it, because why not? And then some other things I'm gonna do is cook. I'm actually gonna be cooking a pot roast. Now y'all, a pot roast sound like I'm finna feed a family of 4, but I'm just feeding myself. But you know what? I am a family of 4. I like to cook a little bit, y'all. I do. I can't even lie. I like to cook. And I like to make little meals and just try stuff like that. So I'm excited to make that. I'm actually going to start making that in a little bit, because I actually had to unthaw my meat. So I think my meat should be unthawed now. And I'm going to go ahead and like sear both sides and put it in the crock pot. And then what else do I have? Of course I'm going to clean up too, because you know, that's just like a weekend ritual. Like, you're supposed to clean up on the weekends. Like what? Yeah, so I really have no excuse on being bored while I'm being snowed in, because I have plenty to do. Okay, y'all. So, just so y'all can hear me, because I have a little music going, y'all. Hold on. I'm a little flustered. Okay, y'all. So, as you can see, we just put the pot roast on. I have put a little bit more of the broth on top. And now we're going to wait 2 hours. And after that 2-hour mark, then we'll put in our like veggies, our carrots, our celery, and our potatoes to cook for another 2 hours. And then after that, that's it. So it takes about 4 hours to cook. But it's looking good though. I seared it a little bit. I'm so glad that I flipped it over when I did because it was burning a little bit. Maybe I didn't put enough oil in there. I don't know. Or maybe the pan was too hot. But regardless of what it is, I think this is gonna be good. Smells good already. So yeah. Anyways, that is all for that. I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looked like, but I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be real yummy. I'm gonna have to flip this over. At least I feel like I should. I feel like I should flip it over. So, oh yes. Oh yes. Hold up. Baby, that thing looking tender. Tenderoni. You hear me? Luckily for the celery and the carrots, they're already, you know, I just gotta wash them. So I'm gonna wash them and stuff. Oh, I'm gonna wash them really quickly, and I'm gonna also do the potatoes as well. So yeah, I just gotta wash these. I can't just use them. I'm gonna have to wash. We're gonna have to wash though. And then I think that's enough. Honestly, it might be too much, but then I'm gonna do my carrots as well. Like I said, I'm just gonna wash these off with some water, and then yeah. I'm gonna do like 4 potatoes, y'all. Boop. And then we're just gonna add it to our Okay, so we actually just got back from the store. I'm gonna show y'all my pot roast. Y'all, the pot roast is pot roasting, okay? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target really quickly though. I just got some essentials. I had to get some acetone because your girl didn't have any, and I'm trying to do my toes. That's gonna be one of the activities that I do tomorrow. So I gotta do that. I also got some bar soap, of course, needed that. I got some little, what is this? Scrubbers, sponges. So I got that. And I also got some gloves. I got like some little heavy duty gloves. I got one for the dishes, and I got one for when I do my toes because I don't want to ruin my nails. So, and then I also got some cotton balls, and I also got some foil for to get the gel off my toes, because I do have gel on my toes. So yeah, but anyways, that's all I got from Target. Let me show y'all my my pot roast real quick. This is what it looks like, y'all. It looks so good. Like, come on, like, hold up, give me 1 second. Oh, y'all know that looks so good. Like, what? Come on, y'all. Oh, it's, look, y'all see how it's just tearing apart. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, who y'all know making pot roast like this? While that's going, I think I'm actually gonna open up my wine. Y'all, my friend calling me. One moment.
Real hot girl shit. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. You say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, hey. You say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
So I know y'all just watched me do my hair and then I just put it up in this claw clip. I know I had to at least straighten my roots a little bit because I'm actually gonna go on the rooftop. It's snowing right now and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's snowing outside. So, but I wanted to go on the rooftop because I'm like, let me go on the rooftop so I can take me a good, like a cute little picture, like not in front of the snow, but like of the snow. Cause I think that'd be really cute to show my family. So I'm about to go up there. I'm about to actually make me some coffee first and then I'm gonna go up there. But it's so pretty. It's crazy because they talking about we were supposed to get like 20 inches of snow. So I'm like, I don't know about that. But anyways, I'm about to just put on something really quick. Just so I can go up to this rooftop and I'm about to make me some coffee. Actually, let's go ahead. Yeah, let me put on something real fast and then we'll make our coffee and then we'll go to the rooftop. So. I know that I said I was going to the rooftop. I am going to the rooftop. And y'all just saw me put on perfume. I know. But, I mean, you just never know. Like, you want to smell good, right? Come on now. Simplistic. Let me show y'all my outfit. This is what we're wearing to the rooftop. I have this little pink, Victoria's Secret pink little, like, sweatsuit on. And I have these little cute little cloud shoes that I got for Christmas from my cousins. I love them. They're so comfy and I can just wear them. So yeah, and then yeah, these pants, I actually got them in an extra long. I love the fact that Victoria's Secret has like the extra long pants. I honestly kind of want to order me some more, but I ain't gonna lie, I just washed them and they kind of shrinked just a little bit. So I'm a little sad about that, but it's whatever. And then yeah, it's really cute. Like the detailing is so cute, like the pink, and then on the back it has pink as well. So it's so cute, like just a cute little set to just throw on and just wear in the house. So
lock the door, avoid the speech. Cause once you speak, bullshit weak like when you leak.
since I came to the camera. But right now, we're gonna do our first snowed in activity because we are indeed snowed in. I'm about to do my toes. I'm not gonna show y'all that fast. I'm not gonna show y'all my toes. But I have my gloves because my nails are done and I don't want to mess those up. Because I'm about to put this acetone on my toes with the cotton ball and the foil. And that's what's gonna happen. My battery's about to die, so let me change my battery and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. So give me 1 second. We're back. I'm about to, like I said, do my little toesies. I'm not gonna show y'all my toes whatsoever because these things look like these things look atrocious. But like I said, I'm really hoping that this glove method works because I don't have time to be messing up my nails. I paid $80 for these nails, which is way too much. But I did it. Okay. I probably should get like a little towel, but I'm gonna just put it on here. Okay. So I got this. This is the acetone I got from Target. So let's see. Hold up. I got gel on here. So what I'm gonna do? Let me file the nail. I was trying to use the little gun here, y'all, but y'all, it don't work. Like, it didn't work for real, so I'm gonna just have to use this. So I think you gotta like scrub it up a little bit, like actually a lot of it. So I'm just gonna scrub it up.
And forget that there's a whole big world outside of where you are. I think the last time I talked to y'all about travel for 2026, I told y'all that I was doing a 1-year anniversary trip. So we ended up booking a cruise. I have never ever been on a cruise ever. So I'm very...
Now I have this little thing here. I actually got this for Christmas, but I'll try to like link it down below if I can. But this thing right here, y'all, I'm talking about it gets off everything. Like, I put this mask on. Hold on, let me stop this. All right, y'all, so I put this mask on my feet. I put this mask on my feet, y'all, and it say to leave it on for like 45-50 minutes. This is what it look like, y'all. So I've had it on for like 60 minutes, or I had it on for like almost like 40. So in about 20 minutes, it'll be like 40 minutes. So I'll probably leave it on a couple minutes longer. And then it says to rinse. Remove excess product with warm water. So I will remove it. And then it says wait a few days after the mask to allow the dead skin to start peeling. Whew! Y'all. Neck hurt. Neck is hurting. I did my toes. Can y'all see? They look good from afar. I had a great day today though. Like today was so nice and just calming and chill. I like did a nice like self-care, you know, and I just love like whenever I pamper myself, it just makes me feel so good. So I love you guys and I enjoyed this vlog and I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of them. This year I really just want to like do my big one and be more confident in myself, because like what? Who wouldn't want to watch? What do you mean? Y'all, these are so good. Like, this is the green apple flavor, but y'all, these things bussin'. It low-key tastes like sparkling apple juice. That's what I was saying. But okay, bye y'all, because like what am I talking about? I don't know. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye.